Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making mouth-watering cheeseburger spring rolls. Imagine crispy golden rolls stuffed with seasoned minced meat and lots of melted cheese is the perfect fusion of flavors to satisfy your cheesy cravings. So without any delay, let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Then add 500 grams of minced meat and mix well. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Then cook until the meat is fully done and the water almost dries. Then add 3 tablespoons of mustard, three tablespoons of ketchup, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. One cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese melts and everything is combined. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Take a spring roll wrapper, fill it generously with the prepared mixture. Roll it tightly into a spring roll shape. You can also use the same filling to make samosas. Heat oil over medium flame and fry the rolls until golden and crispy. Alternatively, bake them or use an air fryer. Once fried, place them on kitchen tissue to absorb excess oil. And there you have it, loaded cheesy cheeseburger spring rolls are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them as it is or with your favorite dipping sauce. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Also leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.